Hello, welcome back. Felix here. Today on Storm Clear, we'll be looking at the weather, the channel, and some other bits. I wanted to go on my bike today, but I've got some Lego City stuff to do. Might shrink the amount I do, merge the green area with the city, which is not what I wanted to do, but it's probably going to have to happen. And the bike I might go on next Tuesday, because I've got the SD card arriving today. I want to possibly visit the woods, ride my bike around, did some stuff in the Bug Hotel, tidy my room, record this. So yeah. So when this video goes out, it'll be there. So I've got to go through all of this again, spend 10 minutes issuing all these weather warnings again. Oh, this is so annoying. When was this from? So yeah, I issued a yellow there from 1 PM to 3:30 PM Thursday for rain. Just in this area here, I know that. And then I didn't bother with these ones down here because they were fast moving. And then from 3 PM in this area, yellow rain warning until 6 PM. And then a yellow rain warning here from 5 PM to 6:30. And then all of Ireland's under a yellow rain warning from 6 PM until 8 PM, and then we expand it to this area from 8 PM, this is again Thursday I must add, until 9 PM, and then we expand it to this entire area. This is all yellow rain from 9 PM Thursday until 11 PM. And then we expand it to this area from 11 PM Thursday until midnight. And then this area finishes the weather warning at midnight Thursday into Friday. The rest doesn't change until 2 AM, where we then have the yellow rain warning come to this area. And then at 3:30 we expand the yellow rain warning to at 4 AM, we cancel all of Ireland's yellow rain warnings, and all of Scotland, all of Wales, and then basically this area is into yellow rain. That's a fast band moving, so there's no point doing anything about that till 5 AM, and then till 6 AM, and then we just do a yellow rain warning for this area here from 6 AM Friday until. And then at 8:30 AM, we just do it for this area. Again, yellow rain Friday. And then all of the yellow rain warnings end at 4 PM Friday. Oh no, wait. And then from 1 PM in this area, we reissue a yellow rain until 7 PM. And then we do move the yellow rain warning to this area from 4 PM to 11 PM. And that goes from there to there. Again, Friday. And then we issue a yellow rain warning for this area from 7 PM to 10 PM, and the yellow rain warning for here from 10 PM to 1 AM, and the yellow rain warning for this area. That was Friday, sorry. Now we're going into Saturday from 10 PM to 1 AM, yellow rain warning, and then from 1 AM to 4 AM we do a yellow rain warning for this area. From 4 AM to 7 AM we do a yellow rain warning for this area. 7 AM to 10 AM, we do a yellow rain warning for this area. And then that's it. Fast moving, very, very heavy thundery showers apart from this system. Here, from 7 AM to 10 AM. Although technically these are 3 hours long, so we might have just like yellow thunderstorm warning all day Sunday for the UK. Yellow rain warning from 7 AM to 1 PM Sunday for up there. And there's nothing else to be issued there, but from Sunday we will have a massive system moving in. For Monday it's very, very, very powerful. So yeah, this is a rough show of my forecast. I mean, it's not going to be in line by any means, but so I did reveal that I accidentally did the miles per hour to kilometres an hour wrong, so to show you that that is in miles per hour. So I'm not, doing kilometres by accident again. So you see it's rain. You can't even see this phone. I literally set it up to see the gusts, and every time I leave it here, it will slide off because it's an idiot. No offense, phone. So yeah, it's going to be a very gusty day today, tomorrow. And then that was actually showing as 80, which is how I clocked it. It was wrong, but it's actually 50. And then we go into 58, but the more likely we're going to get 75. For the 50, we're more likely going to get 65. And again, Sunday's gusty, rainy, so it's Monday, Tuesday. Now the storm isn't bad for the southwest on Monday, I believe. It is a 42, isn't, it might reach like 60 potentially, so yellows will be issued, but it won't be ambers for the southwest. Maybe further up it will be, but where it gets strong, we've got showers 58, which will probably be 75, and we've got heavy rain, so it's not exactly the best weather with like 65 mile an hour gusts and that rain. I did that this midnight today, so midnight between Wednesday and Thursday. I did put out a recording from Storm Kian, I think, of this power of that storm, because I found it. I wasn't going to upload it, but I chose to. This is the surface pressure charts for the UK. Let's put that up so you can just see the UK. At time of upload, it would be here. So you can see we've got this system moving in. Got this system moving in. That one folds in on itself, and that's the system for Saturday, and that's as far as the forecast goes. I think that system here is the one we get Monday. It's 999, so it's not exactly deep. I mean, this one is deep, look at this, we've got twin ones here. That's a lot more formed, and then that just fizzles out into nothing. I think that fuels this one. So you can see we've got two deep areas of low pressure, and then they both get deeper, they merge and create a super deep area of low pressure, which is what's going to hit the UK. Now, more than likely, if I go to this one, if we go back to, we'll go to 11 AM Thursday, we get some wind warnings now. So you see, yes, we might be gusting at like 40 miles an hour, nothing crazy yet. Yellow wind warning. This is so annoying for this. Get my. I can't use that pen. I need something with a good point because the cursor is not good enough because it's so big. 8 minutes. I've got enough recording time. No, I can't use that. Alright, we'll have to put it up with the cursor. So yellow wind warning for. I'll use the thumb for this area, the coastline of this area, just the coastline, and the entirety of Devon and Cornwall. From 9 PM Thursday until midnight Friday, and then we expand just the coastline to this area, the warning just for the coastline, and Devon, Cornwall, I can't even remember what that place is called, the kind of like Channel Islands down here will be under that from midnight Friday until 3 AM Friday, and then the weather warnings all stop. There's no need to issue the weather warnings for 50 mile an hour winds up there because they are quite used to that. Yellow wind warnings for the coastline of this area of Ireland and Wales from 10 AM Friday until midday, and then we upgrade this area to an amber wind warning, just the coastline, and the rest of other yellow wind warnings stay in place, and then that until 5 PM, and then we shift the amber to this area. Again, yellow wind warnings are still in force, and then all weather warnings end Friday 7 p.m. And then we reissue weather warnings from Friday 10 p.m. for a yellow wind for this area of coastline, in this area here. And then we do amber wind warnings for this coastline area here from midnight Saturday until 3 a.m. No, sorry, until 7 a.m. And then we go to amber for this area of coastline from 7 a.m. And then we put, well, I can stay at yellow, but then we expand the yellow coastline wind warning to this entire area here, obviously with this bit being amber. And then all of the southwest of England is under a yellow now, and all of the coastline of the west side of the UK. Here, yes, it's blowing at about 40 miles an hour, but nothing crazy, this is all 50. We do have a pocket just there of amber to go with that, and then we expand the amber wind warning for all of Ireland and that area there. And then we expand the amber wind warning to all of Ireland, the entirety of the coastline from here to here. So again, all of the south, Devon, Cornwall, Somerset, all under an amber wind warning. And then we just do basically a direct split up here of yellow, and then all of Ireland's under an amber wind warning. This is from midday Saturday until 7 p.m. And then we end the weather warnings for southwestern England for amber, but just split with a yellow. And then we have this area here as amber wind, and then this area here as a yellow wind, with pockets of amber up here for those islands up there. That is till 10 p.m. Saturday. And then we'll continue it further, actually. Oh, days, this storm's big. Actually, we're going to have to do something else. And then we'll put this area here into an amber. Coastline's there. No other weather warnings have changed. We're up to 2 a.m. Sunday now. And then 10 a.m. Sunday, all weather warnings end apart from an amber wind warning for this area because they are quite used to strong winds, and a yellow wind warning for this area. This is from 10 a.m. Sunday until 3 p.m. and then we expand the amber to this area with a yellow for this area, with an amber for just the northwestern tip of Wales. And then that system continues to 10 p.m. Sunday. And then that goes through, and all weather warnings end apart from yellow for this area here at 8 a.m. Monday. And then we introduce amber wind warnings for this area of the UK, Monday 8 a.m, yellow for this area. And then we'll cover that system on Sunday.